What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video, not about how I'm doing installation, this video about for you like a tips and guideline to make decision, should you do it or should somebody else do it for you. And don't get me wrong, I'm overwhelmed right now. Too many installations still on the bench, so working around the clock guys. Doing my best. So this very good example, gentleman I think tried to do it himself and like stop at the right time. So I'm not cleaning the mess, I'm just doing from scratch, and that's great. So I'll show you tools, what's involved in this installation. Pretty much everything I have I'm going to use. And let's start with materials and supporting materials as well. You have to have liquid flux, solid flux, but this is Kester and I'm using it for years. Okay, Kester 186. Double-sided tape, Kapton tape, because it's right now a lot of stores closed, not good information around. You can walk and talk to somebody, it's hard to find. So I'm not using any other tapes, I'm using this liquid tape. We can discuss about it, but I just using shrink tubing for if I need to insulate soldering points. Okay, so next, tweezers, obviously nice X-Acto knife, cutting Kapton tape, and that double-sided tape. I'm using that type of very short scissors. This is optional, but sometimes I'm using it. I'm very experienced guy, right? So I'm using just regular cutters to take insulation from the wire. Good cutters, you know, better with like that spring thing. Some other pliers, screwdrivers. Now, soldering gun, very important. See that LokSound decoder has pads to solder this power pack, which gives you some energy if frog is not powered or truck is not clean. And to solder those guys here, you need a soldering gun like that. Okay, that's pretty much all what I want to say. And then you spending a lot of time, like 80% time of preparing everything for final assembly. Final assembly, it's not big deal, it's just you putting all together. First you're thinking how's everything going. So speaker is going inside of the body around here. Okay, so I need a little bit trim plastic. Power pack is going here. The hardwired decoder will stay here, and before I'm doing all those steps, I need to make sure all LEDs functioning, which is already, and check them for polarity so I know which wire is going. Then you can assemble it very easy. That will be all. If you have questions, I'd like to really help you not doing something wrong with your very expensive, very unique locomotive or something, trying it first. So that's just basic. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting business. You can support channel joining membership. The link in the description. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.